Hello everyone, welcome back. Open shoulder sleeves or cold shoulder sleeves are very easy to make, and in this video I'll show you how to make them within seconds or minutes. But before that, subscribe and press the bell button so that you don't miss any of the future videos of this series and on this channel. We cut the sleeves as normal, and then depending on the open side of the sleeve you mark. I took about 2 by 2 square and then we shape it. You can make it longer or wider, but this is the standard that you can keep for your open shoulder. You can keep this open shoulder either for one sleeve or for both the sleeves. So here we make for both the sleeves. We place our sleeves this way, the same way as we cut, and then we make a hole in the middle of the sleeve. Stitching it is very easy. We took about 1 inch or 1.5 inch wide buyer's tape or a buyer's strip. You can take same color or contrasting color. Pull it slightly and sew it all around this hole. If you do it on the back side of the fabric, you can easily turn it towards the right side of the sleeve. Now it is easier for us. We can simply fold and make a simple stitch over it. This is very easy to make. You can make for any of the dresses. And same way, we'll be making open shoulder or cold shoulder on both the sleeves. Here we got the sleeve ready. We cut the extra fabric which is left on both the sides. Now we have to join this sleeve with the dress. For making things easier, what we do, we join the shoulders and then the right side of the sleeve on right side, the front side, the curvier part of the sleeve, and here one end of front sleeve and the other end on the back side. We pin it to make our work easier. We don't have to handle the fabric again and again if we pin the fabric pieces. Then we won't have to set them. Now it's done, right? Now we make a nice machine stitch over it. So these parts are joined firmly. Now it's done, the middle part which is open and the threads are coming. This is to be dealt with. So what we can do, we can either hem from the back side or we can use a bias strip and finish it, or third thing is we can use a zigzag stitch and make a simple zigzag stitch on the shoulder, and this way we'll make a design and our sleeve would be ready too. So this is the simplest method you can use and make any of your simple dresses, simple fabrics designer. So I hope you like this video. If you have any queries, any questions, you can ask me in the below comment section, and please let me know by clicking the thumbs up button that you like this video. So stay subscribed, take care, keep watching, bye bye.